Namecheap vs Hostinger, which web hosting is best? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive comparison between two leading web hosting providers, which is Namecheap and Hostinger. And to sign up for an account with either Namecheap and Hostinger, feel free to utilize the link provided in the description below, in which by using the link you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Namecheap, it is a prominent domain registrar and web hosting company that allows users to search for and register domain names for their websites, in which it offers competitive prices, user-friendly domain management tools, and various domain extensions to choose from. In addition to domain registration, Namecheap also provides web hosting services including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and reseller hosting. On the other hand, Hostinger is a web hosting company that provides a range of hosting services to individuals, small business, and organizations worldwide. It also offers various hosting solutions including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. And shared hosting is typically the most affordable option and is suitable for individuals or small businesses with modest website requirements. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details, starting by knowing the features comparison of Namecheap and Hostinger starting to Namecheap. Some of the features it offers including free domain name for the first year with its shared hosting plans. It also offers free SSL certificates for 1 year only, and free daily backup for its Stellar Plus and Stellar business plans. It also offers free website builder with limited features and templates, and also standard cPanel and its control panel, and 24/7 live chat and ticket support in English only. On the other hand, Hostinger offers free domain name for the first year with its premium and business plans only, free SSL certificates for the lifetime of the plan, and it also offers free weekly backup for its shared plans and free daily backup for its business plan. And aside from that, it also offers free website builder powered by AI with more features and templates. It also offers custom-made H-panel that is more user-friendly and intuitive. And aside from that, it also offers 24/7 live chat and ticket support in 15 languages. Now moving on to the pricing comparison of both platforms. In terms of shared hosting service, Namecheap offers starting at $1.44 per month, while Hostinger offers starting at $0.99 per month. In terms of VPS hosting, Namecheap offers starting at $11.88 per month, while Hostinger offers starting at $3.95 per month. In terms of WordPress hosting service, Namecheap offers starting at $3.88 per month, while Hostinger offers starting at $1.99 per month. Now in terms of dedicated hosting service, Namecheap offers starting at $48.88 per month, while Hostinger offers starting at $32.99 per month. Now moving on to the pros and cons of both platforms, starting to the pros of Namecheap. The advantage of Namecheap in terms of pricing is that Namecheap often provides affordable options for domain registration and hosting services. And in terms of user-friendly interface, navigating through Namecheap's website is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for users to manage their domains and hosting. And it also offers free whois privacy protection. With Namecheap, you receive free whois privacy protection when registering a domain, ensuring your personal information remains private. And also it has a good customer support since Namecheap offers 24/7 customer support through chat and ticketing systems, and their support staff is generally knowledgeable and responsive. However, the cons of using Namecheap is that, in terms of performance limitations, some users have noted performance issues with Namecheap's hosting leading to slower loading times during peak traffic periods. And also in terms of limited data center presence, compared to providers, Namecheap has data center locations that might impact website speed and performance for users in specific regions. Now moving on to pros or advantages of using Hostinger is that, in terms of its pricing, Hostinger is recognized for its pricing structure, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious individuals and small businesses. Hostinger uses technology such as Lightspeed web servers and necessity storage to provide reliable hosting services. And with data centers spread globally, Hostinger ensures quick website loading times for users around the world. And to safeguard websites, Hostinger offers security features like SSL certificates, daily backups, and malware scanning. For assistance, Hostinger offers 24/7 customer support through chat ticketing system and a comprehensive knowledge base to address any concerns promptly. While the cons of using Hostinger is that although Hostinger pricing is appealing, some basic plans may have limited resources like storage space, bandwidth that could be restrictive for expanding websites. And there have been criticism of Hostinger's upselling tactics, where users might face prompts to upgrade or buy additional features during checkout. And phone support is limited on Hostinger, as they mainly provide customer support through chat and ticketing. And also, phone support is only available for higher tier plans, which may not be convenient for all customers. Now moving on to the performance comparison of those platforms. In terms of speed aspect, Namecheap offers average speed of 1.24 second, while Hostinger offers average speed of 0.8 second. While in terms of uptime, Namecheap offers average uptime of 99.88%, while Hostinger has an average uptime of 99.95%. In terms of their load time aspect, Namecheap offers average load time of 2.3 second, while Hostinger offers average load time of 1.5 second. And also in terms of response time, Namecheap has an average response time of 0.7 second, while Hostinger has an average response time of 0.4 second. But the question is, who should choose Namecheap? Well, if you're in small business in search of affordable domain registration and hosting solutions, as well as prioritizing privacy protection, straightforward pricing, and responsive customer support, Namecheap might be the perfect choice for you, since Namecheap stands out with pricing including WHOIS privacy protection when registering domains, making it especially appealing to those on a budget. Moreover, Namecheap maintains pricing, offers reliable customer support through live chat and ticketing systems to ensure peace of mind and assistance whenever needed. So if affordability, privacy, and excellent customer service are important to you, then Namecheap is likely the option. But what about Hostinger? Who should choose Hostinger? Well, Hostinger is a perfect for budget-conscious users looking for performance. With technologies and a global network of data centers, Hostinger offers dependable hosting solutions at competitive rates. Small to size websites benefit from Hostinger's combination of affordability and performance by utilizing high-speed service and SSD storage. Furthermore, global businesses aiming to reach audiences in regions can make use of Hostinger's distributed servers for seamless browsing experiences worldwide. While Hostinger is primarily offers support through chat and ticketing system, user comfortable with these methods may find the additional features provided by Hostinger outweigh any lack of phone support. And now, in conclusion or in summary, both Namecheap and Hostinger provide hosting solutions, each with its advantages. Namecheap is known for its user interface, cost-effective domain registration, varied hosting options, and reliable customer support, making it a great choice or option for beginners, budget-conscious users, and those in need of hosting services. On the other hand, Hostinger is recognized for its performance, global network of data centers, and affordability, making it a suitable choice for users looking for high-speed hosting solutions at reasonable prices. But ultimately, the decision between Namecheap and Hostinger comes down to needs, preferences, and priorities, since both companies offer features tailored to a wide range of hosting needs. So that is just basically the comparison review between Namecheap and Hostinger. Thank you.